I'm going to show you an AI model that can generate images and videos with audio for free and without limits as long as you activate the right free mode. Most companies are constantly trying to make you pay for a subscription or buy credits, but the AI I'm showing you today has a free mode built directly into the platform. Once we activate it with one button, we can keep generating without paying. And this is not a basic model. It has a lot of options, from the classic text-to-image and text-to-video generators to image-to-video, reference images, and even character tools that let you use the same person across different pieces of content. We just need to configure it correctly. But a better tool could come out tomorrow, so if you don't want to miss it, subscribe and leave a like. First, go to the WAN website. Once you're inside, you'll see a lot of options, but don't feel overwhelmed because I'm going to show you the parts that actually matter. Sign in with a Google account. And if you see a credit section, don't worry. This AI can be used for free. The credits are there so your videos generate faster, but if you're willing to wait a little, you can generate without paying as long as you configure it the right way. I'll show you how. In the central menu, choose Video. Here, with Generate selected, you can add a prompt. I'll leave these prompts and all the links for the tools I'm using today, plus free text and image AI tools you can use, on my website in the description. I'll show you exactly where to find everything at the end of the video. In the settings on the right, you can choose the model. I recommend always using the latest one available. Leave the settings at 720p and 5 seconds. When we send the prompt, the result is already pretty decent. And if we add another prompt, we can even tell it how we want the background audio of the video to sound. Let's send it and listen to the result. And it's not just background sound. It can also generate realistic voices.
Great pass into the box. They are lining up for the shot.
When it comes to video styles, there is a lot of range here, from simpler animations to hyper-realistic people or anime-style videos. In a moment, I'll show you how to activate the free option. Most of the process is just changing the prompts until you get the result you want. But that is not the most interesting part of this tool. Go to the image section. Just like before, the quality is strong, and we can use the images we generate here to turn them into videos later. In the settings, this time we get quality up to 2K, which is more than enough for a lot of uses. We can choose any aspect ratio, and by adding prompts, we can create almost any kind of image. There are some options here that I found especially useful. For example, I'm going to add 2 images and ask the tool to create one single image by mixing both of them. When we send it, the result keeps the consistency of both elements and blends them together cleanly without obvious mistakes. Before turning these images into video, let's take advantage of the fact that this tool is free and generate a few different things so we can test different animation styles. Once the images are ready, go back to the video section. This time, go to Reference, add the image, write a small prompt, and send it. The result comes out clean, with a natural animation, and that is exactly what we need if we want to turn still images into usable video clips. One type of video I've been testing a lot with this tool is ASMR. These videos get millions of views on YouTube, and with WAN, we can create them using only a prompt. And it's not just visual. For example, in this video of a girl typing, we can ask the tool to make the typing sound audible in the background. I even tested asking one of the characters to sing, and the result was surprisingly good. But if what you want is to generate videos at maximum quality with multiple scenes and no watermark, I'm going to show you how to create something like this. I created this video inside Claude using the new Fable 5 model, and what I've managed to do is connect the best reasoning model to image and video generation, so it can figure out the best way to create the most eye-catching results possible. I did it by connecting Claude to Higgsfield. On this platform, we get the best image, video, and audio models, plus a huge set of tools for creating all kinds of content. In one section, we can generate any kind of image, and in another, we can turn those images into videos, all without having to pay for several separate subscriptions. But if we want Claude to handle the whole process for us, it's very simple. Inside Claude, go to Customize, then click Connectors. Next, click the plus icon and choose Add Custom Connector. Fill in the information here, enter the name, and then, for the URL, go back to Higgsfield. In the top menu, click this button and copy this code. Paste it here, click Add, then Connect, and confirm the connection. Once that's done, everything is ready. We can start asking Claude to reason through the best way to create a movie trailer-style video that is as eye-catching as possible. First, generate a series of images. Decide which one works best, and then create the final video. And the results will be far better than anything we could come up with on our own. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. Now, if you want to keep using WAN, I'll show you how to activate the free option. And it's very simple. Inside any generation model, whether it's image or video, go to the settings and keep the Generate with Credits option turned off. If you activate it, the platform will spend credits, if you have them, so your videos generate faster. But if you keep it turned off, it will take a little longer, and the generation will stay free. Another useful detail is that the platform gives you free credits every day, so at least some videos can generate quickly each day. You only need to sign in daily, go to the top right, and click Earn Daily Credits. This gives you 10 credits, which is enough to generate several videos faster. When those credits run out, turn off the credit option I showed you before and continue generating for free. Then the next day, come back and claim more credits again. There is one last option I wanted to show you. Inside the video section, in Reference, look at the option at the top. Here, you don't only get a catalog of characters. If we click one of them, add a video prompt, and send it, that character can stay consistent across the videos we generate. We can also add our own character. You can upload an image of yourself, or click this character creation option. That takes you to this editor, where you can create your own protagonist by defining all of their features. Then, using one of the free daily credits we saw earlier, you can create that character and make it appear in your videos. But like I said before, if you don't want to create the character yourself, you can use any of the characters from the large catalog at the top. Choose the video settings, write the prompt, and in a moment, the video is ready. To get the prompts, the direct links, and access to the free AI tools, go to my website in the description. Open PDF guides, and you'll find the guides for the videos I have published so far. You can download them and access the information from each video, so you can copy the prompts and links without wasting time writing everything manually. You'll also find the free AI chat there. You can ask questions without paying, so it is useful if you want a free chat option for prompts, questions, or quick tests. We also added a model that generates very high-quality images. You only need to sign in and start using it. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.